So we started Nerd's Eye View with the thought that the one-on-one teaching these days is uncommon. We started Nerd's Eye View in 2021 and so far about 120 postgraduates have benefited from the program. PGs come from all over India, from the most basic setups to more advanced setups. So some of them have not actually seen a lot of things, things like optical biometry, UBM, topography and tomography, epithelial mapping. All these kinds of scans may not be there in every setup. So they come and actually see what is on the cutting edge of ophthalmology. Every single consultant of Nethradhama is a part of this program. For these 3 days, they dedicate their time to actually teaching postgraduates. So not only our own postgraduates who are with us, the postgraduates that come for this program, all of them are given that one-on-one attention. So the time they're with that consultant, the time they're with that particular equipment is just the 6 of them, the consultant, and a practical one-on-one training that happens. So the postgraduates also get to observe live surgeries here done by our consultants and Dr. Sri Ganesh, who is a pioneer surgeon in both cataract and refractive surgery. So they get to actually get a sneak peek of inside our OR. They get to get the same view as a surgeon because we have this microscope called the RTVO 800, which is a 3D microscope. So they get the same view as a surgeon once they put on the 3D glasses. A great learning experience as well. They also get to observe us operating on the Vizumax 800 and get to do watch refractive surgeries, LASIK, SMILE, PRK, etc. Which is not actually there in a lot of setups. A lot of postgraduates don't have exposure to refractive surgery. So it's a great way to get a sneak peek into it. A lot of them get inspired to get into that field as well. So, and it's a pleasure for us to have them and show them the work that we do every day.
Hi, my name is Govind.
Hi, my name is Dr. Leshna. Okay, I'm Dr. Sharadi.
Myself, Dr. Vikas S. Rathod.
So, Nerd's Eye View, I came to know about it through my super senior. So, she is currently doing her fellowship over here at Nethradhama. It's an excellent course for PG students, especially, when you're in a hospital setup, there is no time to, follow up on the theory, and, you don't have your staff explaining things to you in detail, take time, and so this is actually a good opportunity for all PG students who really want to learn the basics.
The way it's organized and being like each station, it is being mentored by such superior consultants, expertise faculty. They like asking us to ask questions back, not to hesitate, and answering us back each and every question, even though if it is a stupid question also, they answered.
We had a very wonderful experience actually. So the basics were taught, and wet lab sessions and OT sessions they were all very good. And LASIK surgeries, normally in medical colleges we don't do laser surgeries and for refractive surgeries, and it was it's very good experience.
Despite that very busy schedule here, they gave us a lot of time and they let us enter the OT and see all their cases.
Nethradhama is a full-fledged hospital, an eye institute, which I can say, and I really aspire to do my fellowship here. So I'm very happy for coming here, and I'm very thankful for my HOD for giving me an opportunity to come here and learn many more things.
So as an icebreaker, we have a dinner party where we have some fun games, and we make them into groups and We have our own consultants and our own fellows also interacting with them and just having a casual, nice, fun evening. You know, we sing, we play games, and it's very interactive, and it's nice to unwind after the long day of wet labs together.